Hello guys, today we are here to discuss one of the model paper of science, TET science as well as TET environmental studies, and it will also help for HSTR. So when 21st question, an object of mass 5 kg has a weight of 8.15 Newton on moon. How much would an object of mass 8 kg weigh on moon? Especially here, instead of reading the question properly, what we do, we know that weight on the earth is equal to 1 by 4th of the weight of the moon, right? So before that, just read the question properly. This we can solve using simple cross multiplication. Cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. An object of mass 5 kg. 5 kg object weight ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೂನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 8.15 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ 8 kg ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ 8 kg ಎಷ್ಟು ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ? 8 into 8.15 divided by 5. Okay, divided by 5. So it will come around, the answer will come around 13.04 Newton. The answer will come around 13.04 Newton. Yeah. So answer 2. Just a minute. Next, SI unit of force does not contain which of the following physical quantity? So we know that formula of force is M into A. So M is kg, A is meter per second square. So it has mass, it has length, it has time. So it does not have luminosity. So option D is luminosity. Luminosity antandre the brightness. Okay, the measure of brightness is called luminosity. So it is not at all related here, right? So option D, luminosity, is the right answer. Next, 23rd question. Which of the following is not correct with respect to force of attraction between two bodies of mass m1 and m2 separated by d? G is a constant. This formula we have in 10th standard, okay, in the chapter called gravitation, I guess. Yeah, 9th or 10th standard chapter called gravitation. Is not correct, they asked. So actually this is correct. Just a minute. First one is correct. Second one is also correct. It is inversely proportional. Fourth one is also correct. So third option, F, that is force is not inversely proportional to product of their masses. Force will be directly proportional to product of the masses of the two bodies. So option 3 is the right answer. Next, identify the color of light emitted by sodium lamp. Sodium is a metal, right? So this sodium lamp usually at first it will gives out pink color light. It will give out pink color light. It is not a pink color. Pink color is due to the combination of the colors of argon and neon. So in the sodium lamp, argon and neon will be present in the traces amount. Argon ಮತ್ತೆ neon ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಗೋನು ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಕಲರು, ನಿಯೋನು ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, ದ ಲೈಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 is a right answer. Option 1 is a right answer. 125th question. Which of the following device is used to measure intensity of magnetic field? Intensity of magnetic field anna intensity ಅಂದ್ರೆ strength. Okay na, intensity of magnetic field. Intensity means what? It is strength. So which of the device is used to measure the intensity of magnetic field? That is nothing but magnetometer is used. Pyrometer, flux meter is used to measure magnetic field. Magnetic field ಅನ್ನ measure ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? flux meter. Hydrometer, it is used to measure the density of a liquid. Hydrometer, density of a liquid. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ದ್ರವದ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ, ಸಾಂದ್ರತೆನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಮೀಟರ್. ಪೈರೋಮೀಟರ್ is used to measure high temperature. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಹೈ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೈರೋಮೀಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So here the answer is magnetometer, which helps to measure the strength of the magnetic field. Right. Next, identify the position of image formed when an object at infinity is placed in front of convex lens. So object to infinity allidaga, the image will be always formed at the focus, that is principal focus mele image form agate. That is option 1 at F is a right answer. Next, a vessel is filled with a clear solution up to a height of 20 centimeter. When viewed from the top, its bottom appears to be 15 centimeter. Okay, then calculate the refractive index. So for this, we have to consider a vessel which has certain solution. Okay, it has a clear solution up to the height of, so this is a height that is 20 centimeter. Let us consider this as D. It will be having clear solution. Okay, now then when viewed from the top, so if you view, so this is considered, this is an eye. So when you view from the top, consider this as an eye. When you view from the top, no, it appears that it is at the 15 centimeter from the bottom. So let us consider this as N, 15 centimeter from the bottom. So they told you to calculate N, that is refractive index, right? So how to calculate N in such problems? It is a very easy formula. When such problems are given, just put the values of a actual height and appeared height. Actual height and appeared height. So N is equal to, actual height is what? 20 centimeter. Appeared height is what? 15 centimeter. 5 4s are 5 3s are. So when you divide, so you will get it around 1.33. 1.33. So option 2 is a right answer. Option 2 is a right answer. What will be the current drawn by an electric bulb of 40 watt when connected to a source of 220 volt? So we know that it is related to power, na, because watt is there, power. So we know that P is equal to, power is equal to product of current and potential difference, I into V. Power is equal to I into V. So we want I is equal to P by V. What is P? P is 40. What is V? V is 220, right? So when you divide it and do the calculation, you will get it around 0.18 ampere. 4 by 22 when you do, so you will get it around 0.18 ampere. Yes, 0.18 ampere. Option 3 is a right answer. Next question. IP is equal to I into V. Next, among the following alloys, one alloy contains non-metal as one of its constituents. So brass is made up of copper and zinc. Both are metals. Bronze is made up of, I guess, copper and tin. Both are metals. Solder is made up of lead and tin. Both are metals here, lead and tin. Both are metals. Then stainless steel is made up of iron and carbon. So here iron is a metal, carbon is a non-metal. Right. This is a non-metal. So option 4, that is option D is a right answer. Option D is a right answer. Next, 130th question. Non-metal with lustrous property. Lustrous property andre ಹೊಳೆಯುವುದು ಅಂತ. So which is the non-metal which has a lustrous property? Sodium is a metal, potassium is a metal, calcium and iodine are the non-metals. Among this, iodine is a non-metal which has a lustrous property. Along with iodine, diamond is also a non-metal. Diamond is also, it is a allotropic form of this one, carbon, right? So diamond is also a shining non-metal. Then when gas liberated, the gas liberated when metals reacts with dilute acid. So when any metal reacts with dilute acid, the gas liberated will be hydrogen. Option D is a right answer. Next, molecular mass of hydrogen, nitric acid they asked. So here we have to consider molecular number. Okay. Next, hydrogen molecular number is 1. Nitrogen molecular mass is 14. Oxygen is 16, right? Like that, 3 atoms are there, right? 16 into 3. So 1 plus 14 plus 48. 48 plus 15. So it will come around 63. 63 is a right answer. Okay. 63 is a right answer. Next, modern non-stick cookware and the flat end of an electric iron has a coating of a polymer, namely modern non-stick cookware. Non-stick cookware is usually they will use now, right? Modern non-stick cookware and the flat end of an electric iron which has a coating of polymer, namely it will be having a polymer which is called Teflon, What this Teflon will do, it will not make the substance to attach. It will not make the substance to stick to the surface. ಅದು ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಏನನ್ನ. So Teflon will be used in a non-stick cookware anta. 134th question. Which among the following is used in preparation of shampoos? So option second, baking soda is a right answer. Baking soda. So what is the formula of baking soda? It is there in 10th standard, no? Formula ಏನು baking soda do? The chemical, the other name of baking soda. So the formula of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3. Baking soda formula NaHCO3. It is also called as sodium bicarbonate. It is also called as sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Next, father of Indian medicine, right? Father of Indian medicine is Charaka. Charaka is called father of Indian medicine. Sushruta is father of surgery. Sushruta is father of surgery. Then Dhanvantari is father of Ayurveda. Ayurveda. Parashara, I don't have any information regarding this, but I think Parashara is the father of Muni Vyasa. Father of Muni Vyasa. He also wrote some Vaishnu Purana and all. So Charaka is a right answer here. Then 136th question. I made a flower pot with a handle broken plastic mug. In 5 hours it is. So handle broken plastic mug is there. So they repurposed it. Instead of drinking in it, they repurposed it. So option 2 is a right answer. Which one of the following is not a functional unit of an ecosystem? Ecosystem na functional unit yaudalla anta kelidare. Energy flow is a ecosystem. Productivity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ plants ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Decomposition ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ bacterias ಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀವವಿರುವ ಜೀವ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, example of natural insect repellent. Natural insect repellent to citronella oil. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ natural insect repellent ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. 139th question. Repeated washings of rice may result in. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಕಿಯನ್ನ ತೊಳೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನಾಶ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ both vitamins and minerals will be lost. Tallest known gymnosperm. Gymnosperm ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅತಿ ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಸಸ್ಯ ಯಾವುದು? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ವಿಯಾ. ಸಿಕ್ವಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸಿಕ್ವಿಯಾ. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್? ಬ್ರಯೋಫೈಟಾ. ಈ ಬ್ರಯೋಫೈಟಾ ಗಿಡಗಳು ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತೆ. ವೇರ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ನಡೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್, ಬ್ರಯೋಫೈಟಾ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನಡುವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ವೈರಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. lichen is a symbiotic association of, very easy question, algae and fungi. Now pedagogy will start. An example for the motivational strategy to encourage students to learn science. ಇದು ಒಂದು motivational strategy ಇದು. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬೈ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸಿ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಬೈ conducting different competition, by providing scaffolding when students learn new skill, by emphasis on completion of work. So the right answer is option C, by providing scaffolding when they learn new skill. The action executed by a teacher in inclusive classroom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Believe that every student has a potential to learn as per their ability and strength. Show an attitude of pity and sympathy towards disabled learners. Use labels to categorize students. Give more attention to gifted and talented children. So option 1 is a right answer. Inclusive education ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, we have to consider every student. Okay, we have to believe in every student ಅಂತ. 146th question. A student develop new theories. Student new theories ಅನ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ರೋಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Option 1, challenge these conceptions through arguments. Option 2, dismiss the ideas. Option 3, ignore the children's perception. Option 4, scold the children for having such ideas. Actually, this question is only not complete. So, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೂರಂತೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದನೇದು ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಗುಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಎನಿಹೌ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 is a right answer as related to this question. 147th question. The statement which is not an objective of science education at upper primary level. ಇದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನರ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ, inculcating the values of cooperation, cultivating scientific attitude, emphasizing textbook definition of concepts. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ. ಬಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಬಂದಾಗ we should make the students to understand, we should make the students to get curious with the subject. So option D is a right answer there. Next, a teacher demonstrates an experiment. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಕಾಗ್ನಿಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಅನಲೈಸಿಂಗ್, ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್. ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ವೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ actual experiment occurs in our daily life ಅಂತ. ಟೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಯಾವ ಟೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಓರಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅನೆಕ್ಡೋಟಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ observation of a student. So option D is a right answer. In a learning process of science, a student shows performance for using logical intelligence. Logical intelligence anno performs anna avanu toristane. Then the nature of a student is, a student ಹೇಗಿರಬಹುದು? More conscious, more systematic, more qualitative based, more focused student ಅಂತ. So the right answer here is more qualitative based student. So this is about the set of questions from model science paper 2 science. Okay, so let me meet you all in the next session. Please make sure to subscribe and like my channel, and please comment in the comment box regarding which videos you would like to watch about TET, CTET as well as HSTR, so that I can do those videos. Until that, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.